how to download Roblox in laptop or PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Roblox on your laptop or PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Microsoft Store, then click to open it. The Microsoft Store is your computer's built-in app store where you can safely download apps and games. Once the store opens, go to the search box at the top and type Roblox, then press enter. You'll see Roblox appear in the search results. Click on it to open the app page. On the left side, you'll see a button that says Get. Click Get to start downloading Roblox to your computer. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log into your Microsoft account. Just enter your email and password to continue. The download will only take a moment, depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, you'll see a button that says Play. Click it to open Roblox. From here, you're all set to browse and play any games you want on Roblox right from your computer. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.